What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. And it's been a while. Yep, throughout this holiday season I actually took a good break and just kind of reflect on myself and my family. I enjoyed my time, so I figured, fresh mind and energy and goals for this year, I might as well get back to what I'm doing, right? I had a video where I did the time lapse of me reinstalling everything back into the engine bay. Unfortunately, it's kind of corrupted. I was trying to find ways to recover, but unfortunately I can't. But I will give you a follow-up on what I've done and actually do a test drive, first test drive with you guys. And yeah, let's get it. Okay guys, so this is the engine bay, and this is with a new engine already installed. Everything is good. I replaced the intake because the old one goes all the way down there, which in my opinion is a terrible idea, mainly because, like, exposed to the elements like water and stuff. So you hit you get water in it, you get hydrolock or something. But I just never liked the idea or the design for it, so I went ahead and bought this new intake. I will leave a link down there if you're interested in this specific one, but in my opinion this is better, especially here in Georgia, where sometimes you have areas where there's a lot of puddles, so I'm not willing to take the risk. Overall, installing this engine was as easy as taking it out. Not much wires to follow through, so it wasn't that hard to to misplace or forget or get confused. And I labeled it anyway, so it made it as simple as possible. Went ahead and replaced the belt, obviously, but got new engine mounts on both front and under the car, and this side as well. Obviously new spark plugs. Obviously changed the oil with oil filter and stuff like that, so this car is pretty much ready to break in. So I'll give a video in the future, maybe, if you guys are interested, of how the car turns out down the road, but so far it's doing well. All right guys, so let's go for a quick ride. So my opinion, driving this car since the first start, the only hiccup that I had really was a ground problem, which, if you guys are interested, I could leave another video for that real quick. But overall, the car runs fine. Consistently, haven't failed me. Feels good, feels confident. Simple car. Engine sounds really healthy. Sounds so good, man. I will admit that VTEC, it's not like a turbo or a supercharger, but it is a fun experience. I can see why Honda guys are very intrigued about it, or enjoy it. You feel the torque, and you feel the torque kicking in, and just hearing everything working mechanically just sounds pretty cool. With this car, daily driving it, at first I wasn't sure. In a way I wasn't necessarily confident with in my build, mainly because it's my first Honda. But after, like, my first Honda engine replacement, but after that, just double checking stuff, the car runs and feels good. Don't know what I want to do with this car in the future. As for now, it's just a great daily driver, I guess. But leave a comment down below, guys, if you're interested with this car. I've been noticing that you guys are still interacting with, like, the Volkswagen Audi content, which I get it. Most of my views are from guys who are interested with those platforms, and I kind of miss it too. So I might end up going back with the Volkswagen a little bit, but overall, this short experience I have with the Honda so far is pretty cool. maybe down the road we could do something crazy with this thing, you know. But as for now, I'm just gonna enjoy the build for what it is, just an engine replacement, with some couple mods that I installed along the way, and you know, we'll go from there. That sounds good. That sounds pretty good. So I'll definitely say this: the VTEC, it does get you more engaged. It's definitely different from a supercharger or turbo. You know, this gives you a whole different experience. Not gonna lie though, in my opinion, the best experience was a supercharger with the S4. Just by, you know, anytime you want to get on the gas, you hear that sucker and it goes all the way through. Driving this car during a daily basis, it's pretty interesting for me. The only thing that I had to try to like relearn, in a sense, relating to driving a Honda, is that I'll rev up and I'll change around like 5 to 6, but you know, after that, usually the, you know, looking at the tag, it's telling me like, no, you got 2 more left. You got two more left. You keep going, and it's kind of weird but fun at the same time. You know what I mean? So it's kind of cool. I enjoy it. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you got any comments or questions, feel free to hit that comment down below as well. And hope you enjoy this. Peace.